In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom emoji in Slack with ease. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply removing emojis you no longer need, this guide will help you get the job done in just a few minutes. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into your Slack account. Begin by navigating to the Slack website on your preferred browser. Once there, you'll want to sign into your account. An easy way to do this is to click on the Sign In with Google button if you've registered with a Google account. This option makes logging in a breeze, saving you the hassle of remembering an extra password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Slack, and from here we can access the settings needed to manage your custom emojis. Now move your gaze to the top left corner of your screen where your profile is located, and give that a click. When you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for preferences in that list and select it. This section is where all your customization settings are stored, enabling you to personalize your Slack experience. In preferences, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Click on Messages and Media. This section controls how content is displayed and interacted with in Slack, including emojis. From the Messages and Media settings, go ahead and click on Emoji. As fun as emojis are, sometimes they can pile up or get outdated, and that's why you're here, to clean up. After selecting emoji, you'll notice an option labeled Custom. This is where all the emojis that users have added to your workspace are stored. Click on the Custom section and you'll see a list of all the custom emojis that have been added. Now to delete an emoji, simply navigate through your list of custom emojis and locate the one you wish to remove. When you hover over it, you should see an option to delete or a small trash can icon. Go ahead and click this option to remove the emoji permanently from your Slack workspace. Remember, deleting an emoji is irreversible. Make sure that the emoji you are deleting is truly not needed anymore to avoid any loss of useful resources for your team. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a custom emoji from your Slack workspace. By keeping your emoji library neatly organized, you ensure a more streamlined workspace that helps everyone communicate just a little more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your Slack environment.